Hello all, welcome to a new JavaScript project in which we are going to create a simple list just like a to-do list in which we are going to have some items and we can delete them also, and we can search for them also. By default means I am having some of the items, but I'm soon going to add all the functionality. This will be a bit complicated project. Actually, to-do list seems to be simple project, but they are actually not. They have many functionalities and they can test a lot of things. So this is the structure right now. I'm doing it in CodePen. Here is the editor and here is the full view I have opened. So the main thing is that we are going to use Bootstrap for this project, but for the first thing, let's go to the HTML quickly. See, the header is there, which contains the simple list and this search item input field for that. Then the container is there, is which is having this add items. See, most of these classes are Bootstrap classes, card body and all these things. And then this text and submit is there. So, and then the items is there, which I have by default. I filled some of them like this. So how to add Bootstrap in CodePen? So to add Bootstrap in CodePen, let me open this CSS and I just have to come here and then search for Bootstrap, and yeah, Twitter Bootstrap, save and close. But for it to reflect, I have to come here and I have to refresh it and see the project is so nicely done. Everything is done, all of these things are done. So sometimes Bootstrap is good also, although I don't like Bootstrap much, but it is sometimes good for quickly to show something else. Like right now we are going to learn JavaScript. So after that, let me do one thing. I don't want this, I want the JavaScript part. So let me have it till here because I want to see some of the HTML also, so that you all also can see the HTML. So first we are going to select this form, this add form we are going to select. So let me select it. So const form equal to document dot get element by id add form. Then similarly I'm going to get the items, this UL I'm going to get, which contains all this milk and all these things. So this unordered list I want to get. So let me call it item list and document dot get element by id items. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the form submit event. So form, see, the form is wrapping this input this. So add item, this form, it is wrapping text and submit button. So I am going to target that form dot add event listener, add event listener, submit comma add item. So this, what is this add item? Add item is a function which is been called whenever I click on the submit or whenever I enter the submit. So this is a form, we can do it like this. So function add item, we can get E from the form. Okay, so but when we get the E, the thing which we do is E dot prevent default, so that it doesn't do the natural thing. So we have to do this E dot prevent default because we are not submitting to a server from here. Then we want to get the input value is the value which we will enter here. So let me do that. Const new item equal to document dot get element by id item dot value. So this, yeah, so this item dot value I'm getting, and then so what is this item? This item is here, this item. So whatever we enter here, this item will come here. The value of this search field is the item dot value. So let me show that quickly. So console dot log new item, control S, we can do it here, and let me inspect it here. Cannot read property, it's okay. So let me do anything here like milk shake. Okay, go back. Okay, I have to refresh it, I think. Yeah, so milkshake is coming. So these all things are coming because of this, our code pen. So that's why I sometimes prefer to do it in VS Code instead of code pen. It's okay. It's okay if I started it here, it's okay, we will continue it here only. So the next thing is that whatever we submit here, say milkshake we were submitting, so I want to show it at the end of the list. So for that it will be very easy. We were first going to create a new li element. See, everything is in see, everything is in this li thing is there. So to create new element, let me open this. We are going to use something like this only to create it. So the classes will be like this. Use something like this means the classes will be something like this, const li. So we are going to create a new element, document dot create element. It is known, the element will be li, then li dot class name, we are adding a class to it, and that class will be known as the list group item, which is again a bootstrap class which is there in all the li's. So let me copy this, list group item, and then what I'm doing, li dot append child I am using, and in means in li we are appending something. So whatever we give inside this, we are appending that, and we are appending document dot create text node, and this new item, as we have seen a new item, whatever we give here, say milkshake, it will be there. So what it is giving, it is creating a new text node here. So inside li, just like inside li, this curd is there, tomato is there, and with the list group item is there, so it will create like this. Okay, so after that what we are going to do, we are going to do item list. See this item list, which is the ul item list, where it is, yeah, this item list is this item, so it is which is the ul. So item list dot append child li. So Let me save it and let me refresh it. Milkshake, let me submit it, and yeah, we are having some problem. So let me check it out. What is the problem? li.append child, where is append child? See, this things happens. So let me cross it, let me save it, let me refresh it, and let me do a milkshake, submit it. Yeah, I got the milkshake. And I want to show one more thing. See this li dot group item and milkshake, just like here it was there tomato. We now have to add this button also, but you got the point. See, this milkshake is inside it. This create text node did that. Okay, so next thing we, as I have told, we have to do is to add this button and add this delete button. So let us add this delete button now. So for that, yeah, after this const delete button equal to document dot, again we are going to create element, and it will be button, and then delete button dot class name. And now what will be the class name? Again it will be like this only. See, the delete button class name here is what? See, delete button class name is this complete. So we just need to copy it, and button danger, bootstrap button is small, float right bootstrap, and this delete we are going to use. This is a bit important. We are going to, I'm going to show why we are using this delete. So after that, delete button dot append child, and again we are going to create the text node. So let me copy this text node, but this will be a big X. See, we have done like this here also, and then li dot append child delete button. So let me save it, and I have to refresh it here also. It is gone because it is not actually saved in some database or local storage, so it will be gone. So milkshake I am going to do, and then okay, so again some issues, so let me debug it again. See, these things get caught up very easily. Oh, access not defined. Yeah, so I got it. This is just a string, not some variable or something. Yes, the milkshake have got this also. Now one more thing, let me, if I have opened this only, so let me quickly show it. See, this is the milkshake, and this is this, and there is nothing different from this tomato which I have created. So everything like this. So this is how we work with DOM. We just create everything which is like this. So this append child and all with the help of this. So now the delete thing is been done, but the delete thing is not working. We need to add functionality to the delete button. So this is the functionality which we are going to do. So for that, let me close it for a time being. So we are going to have another event here, which is item list. So if you understand with item list, what is item list? Item list is the whole UI, whole unordered list, this whole thing. So a very good logic will be done here. I will tell you soon. Event, we are not adding the listener to each row, but item list, which is the item. Let me show again, which is the items, and items is this id. Okay, so add event list now, add event list now, click event will be there, and the remove item is a function which we are going to create. So let me do it here. Function remove item, again the e will come. So if e dot target, this e dot target is there, and we can e dot target value we all know, but we can get the class also from here. Class list dot contains delete. So I told one thing, this delete which we are going to add, this is for a thing. So that thing is that if so each delete button only have this delete class. So wherever we click, it doesn't matter, only when you click on this delete button, that's why we choose the unordered list everything here. But whenever we choose or click on the delete button only, then only the logic will work. So let me come here like this inside the if statement. So if we click on the delete button, then we are going to show the confirm. Confirm is like an alert. It is in the browser, you'll see soon. So it runs if I click on the okay. So if are you sure, so we are asking we are taking permission before deleting. I just write because the user can click not knowingly also, so that's why we are doing this. So like this, are you sure, then const li equal to e dot target dot parent element. So what is this? So before removing, let me show you what is this actually. Let me save it, let me refresh it. Milkshake, submit, inspect, console. Yeah, so when I am clicking here, I will get this, are you sure? If I click cancel, nothing will happen, means it came till here, but after that it didn't came. Then if I click OK, then this will run. So see, this delete is actually a button inside this delete is here. So we are choosing the parent of it. What is the parent of it? E dot target dot parent element is this li, so this li will be chosen. So this li, if I see here, it is the milkshake. Okay, so now I just have to delete it. So let me remove it. Then from item list, this item list, which is the ul dot remove child li. Let me save it. Let me close it. Let me refresh it. And milkshake, submit, remove, okay, gone, remove, okay, gone, remove, okay, gone, remove, okay, gone. Okay, so like this we can do it. And then after that, what we are going to do, we are going to add the logic for search. So only the search is remaining, so we are going to add the logic for that. So again, to add the logic, we have to first choose it. So let me come here, then const filter equal to document dot get element by id filter. So what is this filter? This id. So this input box, this is the filter. So let me close it. Okay, so after that, again we have to add a event listener. Filter dot add event listener key up, comma, filter items. So now let us create this. Function filter items, we are again going to get this e. After this, const text equal to e dot target dot value. So whatever we type here, we are getting it at e dot target dot value, but we are converting it to lower case. This we are doing it for a reason, because we are going to convert this also into lowercase, so that the checking the filtration logic, it is equal. Generally we do it like this, either you can change it to lowercase or to an uppercase, it doesn't matter. So to lowercase, and then we are getting, we will get all the li's which are there in the project. So const items equal to item list dot get element by tag name. So get element by tag name, so it can get every element by the name of li which is there in this. So actually I want to show something. Console.log of items. I want to show what is it there in the item, because it's very important. So let me refresh it. And let me quickly add milkshake also. Okay, so inspect console. So it will get fired, and when I search something here, it will get fired. And I have a key up event. Okay, I didn't told what is a key up event. So whatever I type it here, it will come. So that is a key up event. Yeah, I have a key up, so let me search. Okay, get element by tag name. Item dot get element by tag name is not a function, so means I have done something spelling wrong. So get element by tag name is not a function because it is not get element by tag name, it is get elements by tag name. So we got something nice. It's okay. So every time I type something, it gives the key up event. But the main thing is not, I want to show what is this item. So this items which I am getting get elements by tag name. So what it is actually, it is a HTML collection which will contain all our allies. All the, actually we have right now we have 4 allies in the project. So this HTML collection. So what is HTML collection? It is a array like thing, but it is not array, and it doesn't have any of the newer array methods. Actually I want to use a newer array method like for each and all those things. It doesn't. If I open it and go to the proto, it doesn't have all those things. If you open a proto of an array, it will have all the methods like the array method, which ES6 methods like for each filter, whatever is there, it will be there, but it is not there. So what I need to do, I need to convert it to a array, because I want to use for each. I don't want to use the old for loop or something. So the best way to convert anything which is array like thing to an array is using the spread operator. It is dot 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 I will do, and then items I will do. So what it will do, it is first spread it, and then this array is there, it will convert it into an array. So this is the best way to convert it into an array. And then for each I can run here, for each item so const item name equal to item dot first child dot text content. Okay, so I want to again show something. Console.log of item, I want to show what is this item, and what is this item name, what I'm doing. So let me save it. Let me inspect. I have to do a refresh also every time. Then let me type 1. Just time I have typed. So as I have told, this items, everything it will come this, and we are looping through it for each for each. So this item is nothing but this ally. So what we are doing, the first child we are getting, first child is that only, and we are getting what is the name inside it, like code or text content, anything. So this is the item name, so this is coming here. This is how we can get the item name here. Okay, so let me, so we are getting the name, whatever is there, say milk, egg, curd and tomato we are getting. Okay, so after that we just have to use the filter logic, which will be very easy actually. Save. So we are going to do if item name, yeah, again see, we have whatever we have chosen here, we are doing it to a lowercase, we are changing it to a lowercase. So this also we are going to change it to a lowercase. So case doesn't matter. So lowercase dot includes text, then item dot style dot display equal to block. If it is there, then it will be a block. So this is a very good trick to hide it, because the next thing will be, as you might have guessed, the next thing will be item dot style dot display what? None. So we are going to give it a none. Let me save it, and now let me refresh it. Now okay, let me do one more thing. Let me add it. Okay, so now if I give m, see, three things have m, so these three things happen. See, m is here, m is here, m is here, then mil, this thing account. So our project is working completely. So this completes our project. Hope you liked it. It was a bit complex, but you learned a lot of things. Thank you for watching this.